Hello my people, while Yoruba are busy hating Igbos, Alex is busy appointing their people in his economic advisory. The governor of Abia State, Alex Otti, announced the appointment of His Highness Caliph Mohammed Sanusi II as member of a 19-man Abia State Global Economic Advisory of the state. Other members include Yoruba people, Mr. Bolaji Balogun, Ifeko Omagwe, Dr. Olubenga Adesida. The governor said that 5 members drawn from the State Executive Council who will represent the state government on the advisory council include himself, the Igbo governor, Otti. See, we the Igbos don't hate anybody. We welcome everybody. We only ask the Yoruba and the Northerners to come forward for a healthy competition in business, in everything. The Yoruba said no, that the only competition they want is demolition of Igbo properties in their state. We asked the Northerners the same, and they said no, that they stand on their forefathers' policy of Naira, never allow Igbo rule again. So the only competition they know is to kill the Igbo, rape their women, and kill their children, destroy their farmland, and take their resources to develop Abuja and Lagos. Now the Igbo have taken up arms, and our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, has asked them to come forward for an armed confrontation, but they are running. Do you know why America is great? America and the other Western world. Because they don't appoint people based on ethnicity or tribe. You think California people like New York guys? No. They go for the best, except Joe. Joe Biden is not the best. But the next president of the United States of America will be Donald Trump. Whether all those Epstein pedophile gang like it or not. You know that Canada, America, and other countries announces visa lottery to get the best from around the world to manage their economy. UK announces free visa for health workers because they don't believe in tribalism, and that is why the Western world are leading in everything. Then come to Africa. Tribalism become the norms. A Yoruba man will not appoint an Igbo man to their cabinet. The same thing with an Northerner. They hate anything Igbo to the extent that a Yoruba man, very brilliant man, Mr. Bedobo Rhodes, a real bona fide indigene of Lagos, a young man with a bright future, who proposed a solution to fix Lagos. But the Yoruba said no, because his mother is Igbo and he doesn't speak fluent Yoruba, so he cannot govern his state. That only the foreigners from Oyo and Osun state are allowed to govern Lagos and steal their resources. Yoruba will say that they have appointed Joe Ibokwe as a spokesperson. That appointment is meant for slaves only. But Alex Otti is appointing people from all tribes to fix Abia State. That is leadership. This is working gradually because there is no godfather to pay. Look at River State. Wike, who denied his Igbo root, used the Igbo money to finance Tinubu election. Now he boldly won 25% of monthly revenue from Fuboru. Amoechi used Rivers money to finance Buhari election. At least Amoechi is a man. He didn't deny his Igbo root. Yet those who have denied their Igbo are not accepted by the Yoruba and the Northerners during sharing of the national cake. Instead of them to be on the table, they are on the menu. Why some communities in River State don't have good drinking water? They are dying of hunger, but they are the one producing the oil that feed the nation. They should ask themselves, why are they poor? Alex, carry go. You are behind you. You are man. You are man enough.